Howdy plumbing gang, today we are heading to On Location here in beautiful Melbourne, Florida. So today we're flying solo, we're heading over to a new house and we got to do a fixture set, which means putting toilets and sinks and faucets and all that other good stuff. I don't know how much I'm going to get done today, so join me.
There she is, right there.
This is a house that I was out at probably about, I don't know, 4 or 5 months ago, and you watched me lay all the pipe in here when there was no walls inside. It's a habitat home, and we've returned, and it's final fixture time to put everything in place before they do the final inspection and a new family can move in.
Like a bottle of cold water.
Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate it.
Don't be back here huffing that glue too much.
No, I try not to.
That stuff's horrible, man.
There we go. I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so as you can see, this house looks a lot different than the last time you saw me doing piping in here. Just dropped the lavatory in here, faucet. I gotta hook the drain up down there. But we roughed in our toilet, and it's sitting there. It's gotta get hooked up. And I've got to put the trim over there on the shower. And then I've got another bathroom that's on the other side of the wall. It's gonna be late in the day. I don't know how much we're gonna get done. We're gonna do the best we can. Work day's over, so this is what we got accomplished. We got our lavatory in there, got everything hooked up underneath the toilet. I just got to get a seat. We didn't get one sent to us. And the complete trim for the tub shower kit, which is a Delta. And we actually got time to jump over to the second bath as well. Here I was able to get the lavatory in, everything hooked up, toilet all hooked up. Like I said, we didn't get seats brought to us. And I wasn't able to get to this trim for the shower because they didn't send me a cartridge. So, as well as all the fixtures, as soon as everything's done, they're going to be caulked around, all that good stuff. The only other thing in the house is the kitchen. The sink's already been set into place and all that stuff, and the faucet's down here, but there is a vent drain system, and I forgot, and I didn't bring the stuff for it. Anyways, I ran out of time for today, and the faucet's sitting right there. All in all, though, I have to say we got quite a bit done working by ourselves for a couple hours out here today. That's all the time we got for today. I sure appreciate each and every one of you guys for stopping by and hanging out and watching me do some fixture sets on a brand new home. If you got any questions, leave them down below with comments, concerns. Share this with a friend. Give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, this has been Plumbing with Tim. Keep plumbing.